Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you daily doses of insightful product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of relaxation with a focus on the best neck massagers. If you're seeking relief from the stresses of the day, you're in the right place. Stick around for valuable insights and recommendations. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Let's unwind together and make informed choices. Let's get started. Number 1. Victor Jurgen Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. When your neck is aching after a long day working on a computer, Victor Jurgen's neck and shoulder massager can rescue you. This massager is designed with 8 massage heads and infrared heat for deep tissue shiatsu massage. Just plug this massager in, pull it around your neck and shoulders, and choose between high, medium, and low intensity settings for targeted relief. It will knead tired muscles in your neck, back, and shoulders and provides about 113 degrees Fahrenheit of heat to encourage blood flow. The controls on the front of the device also allow you to customize the shiatsu massage in 3 modes: auto-reversing, single direction, and timed interval, which goes for 15 minutes before it automatically shuts off. Number 2. Comfier Portable Heated Neck Massager. If you're looking for a greater range of therapy from a neck massager, the Comfier Portable Heated Neck Massager might be the right option. This battery-powered U-shaped device features 6 modes of massage: cupping, tapping, scraping, shiatsu, acupuncture, and relaxation. This massager also incorporates 15 levels of electric muscle stimulation, which uses electricity to stimulate muscle contractions. You can also incorporate heat into the experience, which ranges from 100.4 to 118.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and change the settings through a remote control. And the battery life is impressive as well. The company says a 3-hour charge should last up to 10 days. Once start to use, it will auto-off after 15 minutes to avoid overheating, and you also can turn off the heating button if you don't adapt to it. Soothing heating therapy can greatly promote blood circulation, deeply relax neck muscle and relieve the pain for you. Number 3. Homedics Back and Neck Massager. When you just want to lay your head down at the end of a long day and relieve your aching neck, consider Homedics Body Massage Pillow. This cushion has massage nodes that let you switch between shiatsu, vibration, and heated settings. The pillow adjusts to the contours of your body and can be used for your back, shoulders, and calves, as well. The heat also has an automatic shut-off after 15 minutes should you be lulled into slumber. Vibration helps to invigorate and loosen tight muscles, creating a sense of full-body relaxation. Heat comforts tense muscles in your upper back, lower back, neck, and shoulders. Integrated controls are built into the cushion for easy access. Simply reach to the right to choose your settings. Soft, comfortable pillow design fits well in most chairs. Number 4. Homedics Neck Massager with Heat. If you're looking for a neck massager that covers the basics but doesn't cost a lot, Homedics Neck Massager with Heat checks all the boxes. This device lets users switch between shiatsu massage, vibration, and heat modes or use them together for maximum relief. This foam massager is also comfortable, and the handles let you manually control the intensity of the experience. The soothing heat emanated by this neck massager enhances comfort and relaxation. The integrated controls allow you to choose combinations of shiatsu, vibration, and heat for a custom massage experience. The Comfort Flex handles featured on this massager allows you to increase or decrease the intensity of shiatsu massage to your liking. This cordless massager is especially great for long trips spent sitting on an uncomfortable airplane or in a crammed car. Simply drape this massager over your shoulders and be transported into serenity. Number 5. Theragun Mini Gen 4. The Theragun Mini Gen 4 provides impressive power in an extremely portable package. This pocket-sized, battery-powered percussion massager weighs in at just 1 pound. Yet it can provide up to 20 pounds of pressure. It's ergonomically designed to be easy to hold, and you'll want to use the lowest speed for your neck. But this deceptively small device can provide relief for your whole body. Theragun Mini offers all the benefits of handheld percussion therapy in a convenient pocket size. Theragun quality meets ultimate portability. With a universal attachment and 3 speeds, your device has the power to massage any area like a pro. Massage on the go with ultra-quiet deep penetrating technology. Ultra-quiet with advanced sound insulation and premium design. Melt away your tension and empower your recovery with Theragun Deep Tissue Handheld Massage Gun.